Paano mo nakukuha ang sweldo mo mula sa kumpanya? At ang rule dito ay kailangan bibigyan ka ng pay slip ng kumpanya. Kasi if there is no pay slip, then there is no proof na nabayaran ang sweldo mo. These cases happen usually pag sa bangko nakukuha ang iyong monthly or bi-monthly salary. At ang ginagawa i-check mo na lang yung account mo kung pumasok yung sweldo. The Supreme Court said hindi tama na ganun lang ang sistema. Dapat tuwing 15 and 30 ay bibigyan ka pa rin ng payslip. At ito yung kaso ng Philippine Airlines Union versus Philippine Airlines. Medyo 2013 na kaso ito pero ngayong April lang natapos. At ang sabi dito, yung employer na merong pre-arrangement or may bank arrangement para sa payroll at saka 13-month pay ay kailangan pa rin mag-provide ng payslip to the employee so that he can monitor the receipt of his salary and other benefits. This is the present rule, except if you're receiving salary by check or by cash at may pinipirmahan ka sa payroll officer ng empleyado. Pero pag bangko or any other financial institution, the company is required to give the employee a payslip tuwing sweldo.